In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save passwords in Google Chrome. Whether you're setting up a new device or just want to have all your important credentials organized and accessible, Google Chrome makes it easy to store your passwords securely. So, let's get started on this simple but essential task. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Once it's up and running, navigate to the top right corner where you'll see 3 vertical dots. These dots are your gateway to all the settings and customization options available in Chrome. Click on them, and from the drop-down menu that appears, go ahead and select Settings. With the Settings menu now open, you'll notice a set of different categories on the left side of your screen. Focus your attention on the section labeled Autofill. Click on this area and you'll find yourself in a new subsection that deals specifically with how Chrome handles different automated features. Within this section, locate Autofill and Passwords. This is where Chrome manages all things related to saving and accessing your important data. Once you're in the Autofill and Passwords settings, the next step is to choose Google Password Manager. This tool is designed to simplify how you handle your passwords. It gives you a centralized place to view, manage, and add new passwords securely. It's quite convenient and a real time saver. Now, in the Password Manager interface, look towards the area just below the search bar. You'll find an option labeled Add Password. Clicking this button allows you to manually input new login details for the sites you frequently visit. This is particularly useful if you've recently signed up for a new service or are transferring password information from another manager. After clicking Add Password, you'll be prompted to enter some specific details. These include the website's address, your username, and the password you use to access that site. While typing in this information, make sure everything is correct to avoid any login issues later. Keep in mind, creating strong passwords that are unique to each site helps enhance your online security. If you're ever unsure about a password's strength, consider using Chrome's built-in password suggestion feature, which can generate strong and unique passwords for you. Once you've filled in all these details, the moment has arrived to click Save. By doing so, Chrome securely stores your credentials, making future logins seamless and hassle-free. With just a single click, your login information is saved and ready for use whenever you visit that website again. And there you have it. A straightforward way to manually save passwords in Google Chrome. By utilizing these steps, you've taken an important step in managing your online data securely and efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy browsing with the peace of mind that your information is safe and sound.